you know, emergency system.
Yeah, like if you fall, they stop it.
Uh,
Yeah, I saw a couple people fall, so yeah, don't worry about it. Shit, look at that shit, man. Holy cow.
Woohoo!
I don't know if our ski can go. We'll go all the way up there though. I think that's a bit steep.
All the way to that top? Oh, that cable car.
Yeah, that's a little too much, man.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, this is like good enough for me. This is like my level too.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Oh, this place is fucking beautiful, dude.
Yeah. Is this the main Hakkaisan mountain?
Yeah, this
down
is
there?
Hakkaisan right here. This is Hakkaisan right here.
Okay.
Yeah, the mountain of alcohol, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. So you guys going back tonight?
Yeah. This evening.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're taking a movie?
yeah. Yes. I can't miss this.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Hoo-hoo.
Careful.
Yeah. No, we have some kind of, protection,
Yeah, I know, man, but you don't want to drop anything.
Yeah, my
It's
fucking
pretty much
iPhone,
fucked,
man.
dude. It's pretty much fucked, dude.
Yeah, man. Woohoo. Sugoi.
Don't swing the shit. No fucking hell. Look at that.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, little bumpy.
Yeah, so that's the top over there.
Okay.
It only goes
So,
up to the halfway.
so we are almost done.
So what happens, we're going to go over and then we're going to turn right.
Oh,
Okay. If you just go straight, that's cool too. Yeah.
okay. It's kind of big business there, isn't it?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's kind of ski business.
Oh, hey. Yeah, man. I mean, what else are you going to do in fucking Niigata, dude? In
Yeah.
the winter. Yeah. We got mountains, we got snow.
Yeah, and that's it. Oh.
Oh, shit. What was that?
Do they have avalanche here?
Probably. I don't know, man. Probably like over there. Like, I think they've had, because like, there's a ski slope in front of Hirasa Station. There was like an avalanche or something like that. And a landslide. So that ski slope's all messed up now. They can't use it.
参加費が200円でございます。その後14時13時失礼しました。13時
Maybe they also process the ski slopes. Maybe it's not like 100% natural, isn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm sure they cut like all these trees.
Yeah,
and shit,
I
and
know.
They flattened it out some places.
Yeah.
So yeah, no.
And they also do some kind of deadly ski slopes.
Yeah.
For-
Oh shit! Like over here, and there's like the jumps. And
Yes,
shit.
for snowboarders.
Yeah. Oh hell no.
It's kind of snowboard.